Today, we're about to ruin a perfectly good, yet gross feeling microfiber rag for the sake of polishing the Rocky Mountain Mural stained glass project. And spoiler alert, it is so worth it. Have you heard of Simichrome polish? Cause you're about to. This is not a sponsored video, but it's gonna sound like it because I have nothing but praise for how well this polishes soldering lines. Literally buffs the solder to look like chrome. Don't believe me? Stick around till the end where you can see reflections in the solder and zinc border. It's wild. Do's and don'ts for using this stuff. Do use it sparingly. Do rub it onto all of the lines and border. Do buff it off until the rag stops looking like a coal mine handkerchief. I think I'm getting the black lung pop. Zoolander, what's up? This is actually really time consuming. It took me 45 minutes to polish just the front side until the rag stopped looking nasty from solder impurities. And the do nots? Do not let it sit onto solder in case some gets onto the glass. Buff it off immediately after you've applied it to all of the lines. Do not do this barehanded. 80% of the fine print was warnings of what to do if it made contact with any part of your body. Do not use it on solder that has patina on it. Learn that the hard way. Strips the patina right off. If you haven't picked up on it already, solder is gross and just filled with impurities, which is why it's not shiny to begin with. But this Simichrome polish is way better than Pledge, in my opinion, for stained glass art without patina. But then again, it's all about what you're going for. If you want super bright, shiny glass that's transparent, go with Pledge. If you have a lot of opaque glass like this project and want your solder lines to shine like chrome, you could go with Simichrome. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time, with tips, tricks, and product recs like this sprinkled into the mix. I still can't believe I can literally see reflections in the solder and zinc border. This stuff is legit, but that rag is absolutely not coming back from this. But then again, microfiber belongs in the bowels of hell.